The next topic on the list of creating styles is mood boards. And it is very straightforward as its name is where you create a page in your file where you have all your visual references. It's kind of like a visual research that you are doing for your project. And uh, if I can give you like a pro tip here, try to be out of your comfort zone and out of your project topic. Example, you are creating a cryptocurrency app. So if you go to Dribble, to Google, and type crypto app, you're going to see a bunch of things very similar. Neons, glass effect, gradients, abstract graphics for backgrounds, etc. If you type, I don't know, wedding photography, let's say you're creating like a wedding photography website or portfolio for a photographer, you're going to see white background, gray, black, maybe hints of gold colors, beautiful handwritten fonts, those kind of things. So basically, I try to look beyond my project topics when I'm looking for uh, creating my mood boards. And the reason is simple. I want to be able to design something that is different, that is uh, beautiful, but I'm not saying to only look outside of the box. For sure, you need some visual references on the industry you're working on. So if you're working on crypto, look for finance application, looks for uh, banking, look for I don't know, maybe some car finance, mortgage applications, everything related to finance would be good. But try to move on. Try to uh, create things that are not on the spectrum of your project, because this will help you uh, to open your mind, to be able to like, I don't know, go further. Okay. So let's back here into Figma first. Let's create a page for mood board. Can be visual explorations as well. Like I like to add uh, emojis here so we can keep everything well organized. Cool. Now let's go over to Safari. Places that I like to go with my visual explorations. Dribble. Uh, Although lots of things we look into Dribble are not doable, are just like show off designs. I did that. Maybe I need to do it again because it helps you to grow within the platform. It helps you to be visible. It gets attention to people when you create something like crazy beautiful, even though you know that it isn't possible to do it, or there's like usability mistakes, or it's simply not doable. Another website that I like to use, although this is paid, the free version is very limited. Uh, Usually, I pay the subscription when I have a project because that client is paying for that, which is Mobbin. It's an amazing platform because you see everything that is actually published, and you see everything from that app. So like if you click here on Tinder, you have the flow, the entire flow of that project. uh, it's amazing. You have everything, everything. Mobbing is great. The free version is very limited, usable, very limited. Oh, they already have the Apple Sports. Nice. And also Pinterest. Those are my three go-to uh, when I'm looking to visual references to create my mood board. So since I'm doing the sneakers, it's sneakers e-commerce. Let's open here. So I'm gonna create my mood board based on that. So let's go back to Safari. Let's go to Dribble first, and let's see sneakers. Sneakers. Let's see what comes up. Website, bunch of illustrations. Okay, this looks interesting. It looks nice. So I take a screenshot or copy the image, go back to Figma and paste it here. Okay, so this is huge. Let's decrease here so we can add more images. Let's go back to Safari. Let's see. Oh, there's an app here already. Let's see. Sometimes Dribble takes a while to load the image. They have like a very problem with cache. I need to close. It's not loading. Okay, moving on. Nothing we can do about it. Uh, mm, Also nice. Let's uh, let's open up. Try to copy the highest resolution you can get, because this helps you when you decrease the size of the image, but it's to be able to view uh, the details. Go back to Safari. Let's try sneakers app. Nice. Oh, we have quite a lot good references here. Quite a lot good references. I really like this one here. Nike. Did this like a redesign for Nike store? Meet the Nike app design concepts. Mm. Hopefully by the end of the course, you'll be able to do something like this. This is a very good design. Not sure if it's usable, but it's a very good design. It's a very uh, uh, fresh style. Like you don't have the cards for each shoes here. It is balanced. It's a very nice approach. Let's add this to our Figma. I dig this style. It's really cool. Let's go back to Safari. Probably just one more sneaker reference, and then we can move to outside of those. Let's see this one here. I like this checkout solution here with the tab. Uh, nice. Maybe the title of the shoes could be a little bigger. The price. I like the navigation not being full with. You have maybe like a countdown for promotion. It looks like it's a little crowded. There's too much information here. Last white space. Sometimes if you blur your vision a little bit, especially this mass here where you have the banner, the logos, the countdowns, everything like a mix of things. But it's a nice reference. So let's copy that, go back to Figma, paste it here, and let's see we can find now outside sneakers. So let's see fashion. Sneakers is related to fashion, like fashion app. Uh, this one here have a nice product page where you have like a full view of that product. In this case here, I think is that the shirt, a vertical gallery, not taking too much space, swipe up for detail, and only like the price and add to cart. So like if you want to see the fabric information, sizing information, you have to scroll, because the basic what we need, like you need to be able to view the product, how much that product costs. If you like that product, then you go further and look for the information. I like this one. Same for the homepage here. It's a lot less crowded, a lot less clutter. Search, not sure. This is like cold bar scan maybe. Trending. You don't have a like you have a more organic uh, grid. Is almost like a bento style. Then you have the navigation. I like this style here of not be full screen. The navigation doesn't be like on top of anything, and it's the same space for the price and CTA. Cool. Let's add it to the pile. Let's add it to the pile. It's nice. Let's see if we can find other stuff here. Let's see this online fashion store. Pretty much same old, same old. I like this one here as well. Let's see. This is very like H&M, Zara style. Not sure if this is what I'm looking for. Ooh, this is different. I like the perspective grid. Is this like the same designer? 300 Mind. No, but it looks like the same style here. Even the icons. Is this like a rebound? Someone copy someone here. Even the training, the tags is the same. That happens in Dribble. Uh, let's see, beauty app. Interesting. Clean style, white spacing, very organic. I like this one. I like the full view glass effect vision, maybe like Vision OS style. We can add more. Cool. So far we're only on dribble, right? Let's let's go to the other. And I'm not gonna use mobbing right now because I don't know. I don't want to be influenced by what I have in the market. I think we're okay. I only use dribble, but you got the idea. I think I have enough here. My mood board. On your project, feel free to have like as many as you feel like, but don't try to overload because at some point you'll be like lost. So much reference, so many references, so many styles that you start to be like lost in a way in your references. For what is worth here, for the pages that we will probably design throughout the course, I think those are good for me. So next will be like practicing everything we learned so far, like the colors, font styles, and start to applying the visuals, start to applying the references here, and start to getting more uh, like a final look for our screens to go to the next weeks. Okay, so let's jump into Figma next.